are in the 500. We got the drag wheels on and we are headed to the drag strip. It's just gonna be the 500 tonight. We didn't, I forgot a tool at work to change her wheels out. Yes, I know it's my fault. Her original load tool cracked, and so we can't use it. And I usually use one of my sockets from work, and I forgot it at work. But anyway, we're just gonna concentrate on the 500 tonight. We're gonna take it down there and run it. Also, Derrick, you might remember him, the red 18 Whipple car. He is in town. He's at the drag strip. Him and Caleb are at the drag strip waiting on me. So we're headed there. So guys, we'll see you there. All right, we are at the track. We're here with Caleb. Caleb's gonna run the Fox. He's already ran one soft run off of idle. It did decent off of idle. You're gonna have to launch it, man.
Yeah. I haven't even bought my truck yet, you know, and I'm probably gonna need one tonight.
All right, we got Derrick here in the supercharged 18. All right, we are adjusting
down at 12, so.
And we are adjusting tire pressure now. By the way, guys, the DA is 2600 right now, so it's not ideal, but it's not that horrible either, right? So yeah, so we're about to go. Caleb's gonna run his car down the track, so we're gonna go check that out. Guys, obviously, as you see in the video, he got a little wheel spin, but he ran an 831 with a 2160, so it's got mid sevens in it all day long.
Hold on, now be honest, it was sideways.
No, it was. You got some tire spin. It's in the video. Hey, it's in the video, brother. Yeah. They cannot argue with the video. But no, I mean to run, but no, it's doing good. You're learning the car. You are learning the car. All right, so Derrick wants me to run the car because I'm a little lighter than him, and so
I'm gonna let him.
Yeah, so he's gonna let me run his car, and
only once.
I'm gonna see what it does. I've been dying to get back in a supercharged S550. So I've never driven a 10-speed auto supercharged S550 down a track. So this is gonna be exciting, guys. So let's do this. All right, so we're gonna go run this car. Not sure what to expect. The last S550 supercharged I ran 680s, my black car, so. All right, guys, so hopefully no tire spin. We're gonna leave like I used to in my car, about 1800. It felt good. The only thing is when it shifted, it felt like it was pulling back on me. I don't know what the torque management set out on this car, but I turned a 16060, so it should have been a pretty decent time. I'm thinking I run a 7.26 to 6.8 is what I'm feeling. It might have been a lot faster, I don't know. It only run 95 mile an hour at 712, so not sure what's going on with it. So we're going to talk to Derrick and find out.
I couldn't even read the time.
7.1 at 95.
Terrible.
It left really hard.
Yeah.
It left 16060.
Yeah.
So it left really good.
Right.
And then about halfway down the track, when it went to go shift,
yeah,
it felt like once it shifted, it felt like it was pulling back. And then when it shifted again, it just every time it shifted, it's like it was pulling back on me. All right, Caleb, what do we do?
There you go, boys. 93 mile an hour. We're good.
791 and right at 93 mile an hour with a 1960. Did a lot better that time.
A lot better. On the launch, it
looked great.
Almost like a dead hook.
It looked great.
Yeah, I'm looking forward to seeing that.
It looked great. You pull that 60 down to a 1.6 and you're looking at a 7.7.
I'm great.
Dude, you're getting there.
It felt good.
You're getting there.
Yeah. Look at that.
All right, guys. So we're gonna make this pass. The IETs are still up, but we're gonna make a pass anyway to see what it'll do. And then
It's hot. It's humid. It is.
hot, it's humid. It is what it is. It's very hot and humid out here. All right, guys. We're fixing to make a pass. I'm not expecting a record breaker pass tonight or anything like that because the humidity is way up there. The DA is 2600. Right now, I'm just trying to see if the shifter did its thing, corrected my issue with the going in a second, the classic GT500, or just pure 60/60 issue. I'm hoping it did. It feels great on the street, but the true test is here on the track. That's the only really time I had the problem before. So that's what we're here tonight to do. We're not looking to break any, you know, I hope I can run what I did last time I was here, but the DA is way up. Guys, it did good. Kind of bogged a little off the line. I actually caught the Camaro. I don't know if he let out, was playing with me, but I caught him. Shifter did great. So we're gonna run a few more times tonight. We're gonna see how everything does. I'm actually gonna let the car cool off a little more. I was trying to let it cool off, but normally when I let it cool off for a really long time, I don't get as many passes. So I was wanting to see how the shifter was gonna do. And shifter did great. I'm ecstatic with that. Like I said, I bogged a little off the line. I ran a 1.760, so I'm expecting a 7.6, 7.70 pass is what I'm expecting. Not too bad. I won a 1.73 with a 7.66. I ran a 1.6 last time with a 7.40.
What's up, guys? It's Toone TV. I'm out here, you already know who this guy is. Like I said, he just gave me a lesson. You can check out my channel, TOONE space TV. Check out my channel. He was giving me instructions on how to race Yeti. That's what I call my car. So, like I said, it's a 2016 5.0. It's bone stock. I got a turbo coming for it. A lot of exciting content coming to the channel.
Yes, sir. He's never been down a drag strip, so as you can see, this is what he's running, and it's not my wife's car. Everybody thinks it's the wife's car. We pulled up a while ago and everybody's like, you running the wife's car? I'm like, no, it's not wife's car. But it is a, what year is it again?
2016.
It's a 2016 GT, premium, fully loaded. It is a track pack? Okay, so it's got the performance pack gears in it. Okay. So yeah, guys, full interior. We just ran what we run? 872. It's real humid, and this car is stock. It's just got a little bit of exhaust on it, but it's stock, and it sounds great. But yeah, go check out his channel, Toone TV. He's starting up a channel. He's getting it going. He's got some pretty good vids out, so go check him out, guys. All right, Caleb just made another pass. I didn't get it on film because I was in the other car. Caleb seems happy. What we do, Caleb?
I can shine some light on her.
Woo!
Woo, baby!
776 at 92 mile an hour with a 1.860. Get good.
Finally.
She's there.
She's starting to do something.
She's there, man.
Ooh.
She's there. We are very close to each other. I ran a 766 with a 1.760.
We got that 180, baby.
Yes, sir.
Man,
yes, sir.
We are getting there. 776 with a 92.8 mile an hour. My power didn't pick up much. ET did.
It doesn't matter. That ET dropped.
Woo! Man,
You're getting it there, man.
Solid.
You're getting it there. What'd you leave at that time?
4,500.
Good. There you go. You're getting there.
We're getting there.
You're getting there, man.
And you killed it tonight too. I'm loving it.
Yes, sir.
I'm loving it. I'm hot. I'm sweating.
It is hot out here.
Damn good feeling. Damn.
All right, guys. Cody's gonna run old blue. Left lane with the wind. All right, guys. We got this car, and we got 5.0 Philroy in this car. Back to stock.
Yeah.
Back to stock. Got something coming. Guys, this is his first time driving the car down the track. I took him down the track in it, kind of showed him what to do, and so this is his first time running. Guys, so here's my two passes. We've got the first pass with the 17360 and a 766 at 93, and then my next pass was a 176 with a 746 at 96 mile an hour. So the only difference being is that this pass is pretty much it was kind of heat soaked a little bit, and this pass I let it cool off for over an hour. So that's the differences in the passes. But guys, the car is doing great, and the shifter, I can't speak highly enough of the shifter. It's night and day difference in the shift. So guys, if you got a GT500 with a 6060 in it, definitely go with the MGW shifter. It's very much worth the money. All right, so I wanted to wait to say that until I ran down the track and I got a couple runs in to see how it did. So Phillip, we're gonna let it cool off for about 10-15 minutes. You gonna ride with me down the track?
Yep. So it'll be the first time riding the 500 since I didn't get live.
Well, you don't want to ride it on street, because the street is just, unless you want to spin and go sideways and have fun. Yeah.
I want to ride in it because I didn't get a chance to ride in the black car when we had
that car.
Which wait, how many? What's the date? The May's 24th. So what's May 24th to June 2nd?
I'm not sure.
It's like less than a week or so. It'll be 1 year
since we put the blower on.
Yeah, it'll be 1 year since we put the blower on.
But remember, I ran 736 to mid 740s with the Roush Toone in the 16 and in the 17. So this car is running right with my Roush Toone S550, which for me is is nice. Yeah. And right around and close to the same mile per hour. So just goes to show you that. And that car has my Roush Toone dynoed at 611 on the Roush Toone. That car dynoed at 535.
Which is the thing, 2.3 blower versus a 1.9 blower.
And that's a 1.9 blower, but it's a 5.4 versus a 5.0.
Yeah.
But the 5.0 has 11 to 1 compression. That's got 8.4 to 1 compression.
Yeah.
So
it's close. I think if you have your black car right now, same setup, Roush Toone, depends on driver. I would go with driver.
Yes, I would too.
Yeah,
I would too.
So I have the black car, and Ken has the 500 because Ken's a better driver than me.
I'm gonna slay you, dude. I'm gonna slay you, dude.
Cut that tree? I don't know. I did cut a good tree.
You do. You're doing good.
When I want to cut a tree, I can cut a tree.
Yeah.
If I just want to, shits and giggles, I ain't gonna cut a tree.
That's like me. When I want to play around, when I want to actually do some work, I can actually cut a tree.
Right.
So
let's let it cool off. And
let it cool off, and then we'll make a pass. All right, so guys, we're looking at the DA. It hasn't been but a few minutes since I made my pass, so we're looking at the DA to see what it actually is right now. It's 2600 when I made my first pass, and so my second pass, come on, is 2000. So we're still up there in DA. we are going to go make a pass in the 500. Phillip wanted to fill it. Yeah, it hadn't cooled down that much, so I just want to give Phillip a ride. We're not trying to beat my time or anything. Yeah.
Sucks you down. It's like,
Yeah.
Oh, dude, it ripped. Dude, my feet came out, right? I ain't gonna lie.
That's around 4,500.
Just imagine 6K the clutch down.
Oh yeah.
Oh, dude.
Oh yeah, definitely. If the clutch could hold it. All right. So 763 with him in here, with a 17360. So. All right, guys. So we had a great night at the track, and what are you doing?
My bad. Sorry. Edit that out.
And what? No, never.
Oh.
Stayed in.
No, everything stays in. You know how that is. Anyway, guys, awesome night at the track. Car ran great. I actually ran 740s in a lot hotter air than the last time it ran 740s. So the shifter definitely helped out, and we're going to keep plugging away at it. Since we got another run in it, we know exactly what it's running now. It's about time to add something else to it. So
That's one back. You get close to him.
this guy. If you enjoyed this video, hit the like button, subscribe if you haven't, and we'll see you next time.
Dude, he needs that Wengerd performance. Nero, I know you watching, boy. Pick him up. He needs that Wengerd performance tune. Ain't that right, Derek? You need it. Daryl, hook him up. Hook him up while he's in town. Where you at, man? Where's the computer at? I know you got the computer with you. Y'all would have got it with you. Shit, just pop a quick little tune in there. I'll go around. Don't got a shine. Oh yeah, I'm back to stock, so